In this video, we are going to build this interactive, live web sales and profit dashboard. And the best part is, every time you add new data to this Excel sheet, the dashboard updates automatically. It features both light and dark modes and is fully responsive. And we are going to build the entire thing in under 3 minutes using a simple bridge tool and AI. Let's start the timer. For our data, we are working with a 10-column sales dataset, tracking things like the order date, the state, category, and our total revenue. You can find a link to download this exact data sheet in the description below. To make this work, your data must be formatted as a flat sheet. That simply means no merged cells and no complex pivot tables. Now, a web dashboard cannot naturally read a raw Excel file. To connect them, we use Sheet2 API, which I've linked in the description below. This takes an Excel file stored in OneDrive or Google Drive and provides a live URL, so our web app can fetch the data. First, open your Excel data file in OneDrive, click Share, and make sure you select Anyone with the link can view before copying the link. Then, head over to the Sheet2 API page and click Sign Up with Microsoft. Once you're in, click Create Spreadsheet API, paste your link, hit Create, and copy your new API URL. Before we move on, click Configure API and set the cache duration to 1 minute, or disable it entirely for instant updates. Then scroll down and hit Save. This controls how quickly your dashboard picks up changes when you update the Excel file. If we test this link in our browser, you can see it's pulling our exact Excel rows in raw JSON format. This is exactly the format our web app needs to fetch the live data. Now we have our live data URL. We still need something to build and host the web app. That is where today's sponsor comes in, Hostinger. It is a leading web hosting platform where you can register a domain, build, and publish your site, all in one place. Their Hostinger AI Builder lets you describe what you want and brings your web app to life in minutes. Whether you need to build a custom dashboard, a customer portal, or an internal business tool without coding, this is exactly what you need. It even has databases and authentication built right in. You can start with a monthly AI Builder plan or get a free domain with an annual plan. Click the link in the description and use code Vedakarna at checkout for 10% off, entirely risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. Alright, back to the tutorial. For this dashboard, I'll be using the Hostinger AI Builder. They provide free credits so you can test it out for yourself, or you can use other AI tools like Claude or Gemini. We have our master prompt prepared here. Here is what we are telling the AI. Handle all calculations automatically from the live data, keep the layout fully responsive on any screen, follow a professional color scheme with light and dark mode, and build our exact 5-chart design. You can find the link to this prompt in the description below. Let's copy this, paste it into the AI Builder, replace the link placeholder with our API URL, and hit Start. And in just a few minutes, we have a fully functional web app. If you need to tweak or fix anything, click the cursor icon, select the element in the preview, and describe the change. Let's test it out. Our filters update every chart instantly, and our charts are fully interactive. We even have a working light and dark mode toggle. And it is completely mobile responsive. Here is what makes this different from a static dashboard. We open the Excel file directly on OneDrive, add a new batch of orders for July, come back and refresh, and the dashboard picks up the new data instantly. Once the dashboard is ready, you can publish the site on your own domain with one click and share the link with others. If you want to turn your ideas into a functional web app in minutes, click the link below and apply my coupon code Vedakarna at checkout for 10% off your order. If you want more zero-code AI tutorials like this, hit subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.